Okay.
Grabe naman yung cheese na.
Ayun na kay Alvin.
Good morning again. It's day 2.
Good morning.
We are going to Disney Sea. Ewan ko bakit kami nasa Disney ko. Pang bata lang yun, di ba? Sabagay, bata naman kami. Kasama kayo sa journey namin. Let's go. No. Morning. Dito na kami ngayon sa Disneyland at Sea. So dalawa pala ang Disneyland dito. Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disneyland at Sea?
No,
Disneyland Disney Sea.
Parang Disneyland sa California and
California Adventure. Grabe, haba na ng pila oh. Ooh.
Kaya ganyan yan dahil nga dun sa bago na Fantasy Spring.
Grabe yung pila.
Kasi once na maka-enter ka na, dun ka mag-ano ng queue para makapasok ka dun sa attraction.
We are inside, pero hindi pa inside so we still have to scan our QR code. We are here at Disney Sea. Grabe. Ilang oras tayo nasa labas? Almost an hour. Sobrang haba ng pila. Kailangan yata mag-register something para sa ano yun? Attraction?
Para sa Fantasy Spring. So we got in at Rapunzel. Next queue 10:35. We have to queue each attraction for the Fantasy Spring.
Ilan ba yung Fantasy Spring? So there's 4.
So it just opened June 6. That's why it's a must.
Yeah, take me to a place. Got me on a way. Ooh la la la, I guess I caught a fire. Ooh la la la, oh my oh my. Going up, yeah. Hey, where we going up? Yeah, I'm up all the way. Going up, up all the way. Yeah.
Papakita ko to sa Yadang pag malaki-laki ka na. Note ka na lang ng video, mas tipid.
Oo. Pag may isip ka na yung may experience, hindi ba ito yun?
$42 pa yun.
Solid yun.
Malamig-lamig na. Malamig-lamig na.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise your children during the mission. Per Captain Nemo's orders.
So that was the first trip. Saan tayo punta next? O, kain muna daw kami. Gutom na yung boss namin eh. Si Madam gutom na. Madam, gutom ka na, Madam.
Gutom na ako. Gusto ko na ng
Money don't change. My friends say the same. Oh, my friends say the same. Money don't change me. Money don't change. Got to change everything. Everything. I pray and I pray and I pray, ay, ay. That the change doesn't change me in ways, ay, ay. To wear my dog like we're Hugh from back in the day, ay. Cause shit was real sour, they got sweet as lemon cake, ay. Even though I live off like a tip off, I always wanna land on 10 with my kid, just like Chris Paul. With this ball and still keep smoking, talking about life with Ben in the dead. Yeah, things be getting iffy cause the money makes it sticky, so people will get to hanging around when they don't get me. These days I'm serving some East swerving, don't tip me cause they all want beef from the cash cow till it's empty. Change me. I pray my friends say the same. I pray the money don't change me. But does it change everything? Everything. girls turn to hoes. Everybody's acting out of line cause anything goes. The heart gets colder than 40 below with ice skating in shorts and a tank top on the South Pole. It's like that when the concrete produce a rose though. Hopeful that the struggle ain't a tussle with the rose gold. Cause the crew was so pure, we're plated than 24. With the highs, we ain't surprised because we had so many lows. A rise in the times can make a nigga feel divine. Pray for a peace of mind so I don't lose a piece of mind. While peace of lines and peace repeating, from that peace of mind. Digging deep in minds can leave you lost if you don't mind.
Don't change me. I pray my friends stay the same. I pray the money don't change me. Because it changed everything. I pray the money don't change.
Oh, yan yun. Yan, sige, go. Ayan yun. So that was the Rapunzel. Grabe, sobrang bilis lang. Parang walang nangyari. Yun na yun. Dito parang kakaupo ko pa lang eh. Parang, ano ba yun? Kakaupo mo pa lang, nag-settle ka pa lang.
Tapos na.
Yun na yun. Nasaan na
I
yun?
got me some sunshine in my pocket. We live in that good life, ain't no stopping. If you want a good time, yeah, I got it. Cause I got me some sunshine. I got me some sunshine. Hey, yeah. I got me some sunshine on me. If you want some, call me. I can bring it to you.
Guys, tignan nyo. Kanina, napakadaming tao dyan. Ngayon wala. Pakita ko sa inyo kanina yung footage ito. Sobrang daming tao. Ayan o. Ngayon, empty na.
Empty, no?
Sobrang empty, bro.
That's crazy.
Lahat nakapasok na kasi. Kanina sobrang daming taas in. Like, punong-puno yan. Sobrang laki niya na. Punong-puno. Ngayon, wala nang natira. So, pagka gantong oras ka pumasok, wala ka na, hindi ka na pwede doon kay Rapunzel, no? Hindi ka na makakakuha. Monorail. Just watch kung gaano kadali pumasok sa train nila. So, meron ng Apple Watch. Swipe. See, ganyan ka-easy. Diba? Pasok ka na agad. Walang hirap. Sana may ganun sa Pilipinas. Tapos, paano yung ano?
Yung change.
So, this is the real... lalabas. Eh, di, bilhin na tayong Coco.
Oh, dito tayo. Kumain na tayo.
Ay, muna tayo.
Ay, muna.
Ito na yung real Japanese cake.
Japanese cake cause Japanese, you're in Japan.
Japanese cake kaya tawag nila dito.
Legit cake.
Grabe naman yung cheese na.
Ayun na kay Ali.
So this is our day 2. So, ang nangyari kasi sa amin, kwento ko lang, no? Di ba kanina kumain kami? Tapos, sabi, kakain lang.
Kakain lang ha?
Kakain lang.
So hindi kami nagdala na kahit ano?
So ako, syempre, sabi, kakain lang, babalik agad. So, ang ginawa ko, dala lang ako ng camera ng ganito. Tapos wala kaming dalang passport. So lahat ng bibilin namin may tax. Eh ngayon, nagkaya pumunta ng Coco, pumunta ng mga store, Nike, Adidas.
Panang Japanese cake.
Kumain kaming Japanese cake. Ang dami namin napunta, di ba?
Legit kasi Japanese cake.
Kakain lang yan.
Kakain lang yan, ha?
Pero nilipit namin yung 7 floors.
At sinelas pa ako.
Di ba? So ngayon wala kaming mabili kasi pag bibili kami, may tax na.
Imagine mo kumain tayo 5:30. 10 o'clock na. Grabe.
Ang sarap yung 4:30 kain natin.
Grabe, ang alam ko lang, kasi magpapahinga kami ngayon. So kakain lang, tapos pahinga na, uwi na. Ano nangyari? 10 o'clock na, dito pa rin kami.
Puro window shopping tuloy yung nagawa natin.
Tagal yung kain natin.
Pero at least, alam na natin yung bibili natin bukas.
Alam na natin yung floor.
Alam na natin.
Sayang daw kasi yung $10, diba? So yung
kasi
$10.
makakabili ka pa ng iba. $10 din yan. Kung maka $100 ka, $10 din yun. Yeah. So, yun lang. Share ko lang. Yung kwento namin na day 2 namin. Siya, yun na yung day 2 namin. See you again tomorrow.